Dr. Krane consistently talks about the science of DNA and how people handle and interpret DNA results. In his words, it's a people problem, not a science problem. That principle, that idea, that distinction between what the science is capable of doing and how people can manipulate or misunderstand or misinterpret the science is something that you have to keep in mind whenever you are dealing with or thinking about expert evidence on a subject.
Another thing that might help is just an appreciation that there are really two distinctly different questions that jurors and judges are interested in getting answers to when it comes to DNA evidence. One of those questions is whose DNA are we looking at? And the other question is sort of a combination of how and when did the DNA get there? Going back to that first point, the DNA tests we have today, when applied correctly, are extremely good at helping us understand whose DNA is with a sample. But they have absolutely no ability to tell us about how or when. And there's a real problem of people having the confidence in the answer to that first question of who spill over into some sort of understanding of, or confidence in an answer to the how or when. That's entirely inappropriate. They're completely different questions from a DNA testing perspective, and the methodology really cannot give us any insights in terms of the how or when. And yet I understand, and it's entirely reasonable to understand that that's really what jurors and judges want to know ultimately.